Curious about futons? In this video, we cover everything you need to know about futons, from what they are, their history, different types available, how to use them, and more. Whether you're considering getting a futon for your home or just want to learn more about this versatile piece of furniture, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. Watch now to become a futon expert. What is a futon? A futon is a Japanese-style mattress with a low-lying frame placed on the floor. Why do they call it a futon? The word futon comes from an ancient Japanese word that originally referred to a round mat or cushion loaded with leaves and flowers. Let's explore the different types of futons available, from traditional Japanese styles to modern convertible designs. Convertible sofas as futon. Modern, traditional, stylish, and comfortable convertible sofa designs are available. Love seat futons. Ideal for adding extra seats and a comfy bed to a living room or bedroom in a tiny room. Futon and mattress combinations. Offers the most flexibility and can survive for decades. Futon chairs. A beautiful, space-saving option to a sofa-sized futon. Bifold futon frame. Can be folded to make a sofa and then straightened to make a bed. Let's explore the different types of futons available, from traditional Japanese styles to modern convertible designs. Japanese-style futon, lightweight and made of organic cotton. Western-style futon, heavier and difficult to fold. Platform bed futon, lighter and easier to fold when not in use. Let's explore the different types of futons material. Futons can be the perfect solution for small spaces or multifunctional rooms. In summary, futons offer a blend of style, versatility, and practicality. Whether you're looking for a sofa or a bed, futons have you covered. Remember, they are not just for college dorms. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe.